Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on Netflix. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Netflix and you can enter here. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can uninstall your app, then you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.